Good morning, vlog fam. It's another wet one here in Parry Sound. I think it's wet all over Ontario though. So we're heading into town, Ben and I, to the dump run. And we're gonna return a few items to Home Depot that we didn't need, pick up a few more things that we do need. The ceiling is done for the most part. I'm just gonna trim out the edges. Get that done maybe today, we'll see. Nana's visiting this weekend, so I don't wanna make too much noise. Yeah, that's just a wet day. We're gonna be inside most of the day, I think. Working on a few different projects here and there. Should be fun. Okay, we got our new wood. Little stop in at Tim Hortons for some hot chocolate. Whoops. I don't drink coffee, so this is the warm drink that I get from Tim Hortons. Pure sugar. You got a chocolate chip muffin. Right, today's afternoon rainy project comes to you from Home Depot. Like probably a month and a half ago, we were at Home Depot and they had all these extra birdhouse kits, and so we're gonna make some birdhouses. We already have like 10 birdhouses on our property, but
Dad, I'm missing a piece.
Well, I think maybe you guys shouldn't mix them up.
You're supposed to have 2 of these.
With MIA. No, I don't think so.
No, I'm fine.
Nice, looking good, bud. Looking good. Good job, Joel. Yeah. How's it looking? Okay, so birdhouse painting and building is going really well. And we're just gonna let them dry now. And then I think Ben and me are gonna do a couple different coats. So camo and some other things. And Joel's calling, so gotta go. So birdhouses are drying over here, and this room has been a little bit of a catch-all for all our renos, and I kind of need to clean it up a little bit because, well, I'm having trouble walking in here. So I'm gonna tackle that, I think, right now. I just changed out our water filter on our system here. Those lights are ugly. This is our water system here. So water comes from the lake, from here. This is a cable that heats our water line for the winter. And comes into this pump. This pump goes into the tank here, which pressurizes it. And then it comes out and it goes into our water filter, which filters out like all the crud from the lake. And then it goes into the UV filter, just disinfects the water. And then it goes into our system. And yeah, you can see this is what heats our water line that goes into the lake, so in the winter it doesn't freeze. Right now the temperature is 6 degrees. And yeah, this is a little bit of information on where we get our water from. So our water comes straight from the lake. So we can drink it, you know, use it for everything. But right now, the room, this is the project. I'm gonna try to tackle it right now.
She's turning 36.
Eddie.
35. No.
Mom. I love the flower. Who did the flower?
Kenzie.
Very nice. But really, my favorite part is all these.
All right. Let's
Really
sing.
good
Ready?
job.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Tiffany. Happy birthday to you. Woo! Yay! Everybody! Yay!
Beautiful.
Are you one? Are you two?